Hey there, happy day number 8 or countdown number 8 to our countdown to the live challenge workshop. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, also known as Pajama Grandma, and on March 23rd, I and a few other people are doing a live challenge workshop teaching you how to use challenges and overcoming challenges and using challenges in general and solving problems and getting results for people to attract people to your business, to get a result that you want and to get a result for the people that you want to serve. Doing a 5-day challenge along with a scavenger hunt that has a $25,000 value grand prize associated with it. It'll be a 10-day scavenger hunt. You got to find the clues, unscramble them, and enter by April 1st, midnight Eastern time. And every day, Monday through Friday, the 23rd through the 27th, I will go live and share a lesson to create your own challenge so that by the next day, Saturday, or by the following Monday, you can go out and you can lead your own results getting challenged. And I love challenges because they allow us to get results in days that take a lot of other people years and sometimes decades to achieve, right? Focused effort is really, really powerful. So as part of that, getting ready for that, since the 23rd is still a little ways away, I wanted to do something to prepare for it. So I thought, okay, I've been in business for 47 years in small businesses, plus 25 plus years of that was in corporate America, working for some of the biggest companies in the world. And over the years and in all the different industries, I picked up some tips and tricks and lessons along the way. So I thought, well, why not just make a list of the top 20, and they're not in any order, as I'm sure you can tell if you've listened to any of them. I just brainstormed out a list and I'm sharing them one a day leading up to the live challenge workshop. So today is number 8 of that list. And as I look at number 8, it is, need my magnifying glass, it is all about modeling. Modeling, not, walking on the runway. God knows I'm never going to do that. I'm like 5'1" and I'm 60 and I'm like overweight and chubby. I'm a chubby grandma, so modeling, not that kind. Modeling meaning looking at people that have done something that you want to do before and learning from their example and doing what they've done to shortcut the process of achieving something that you want. That's what I mean by modeling. An architect, before they build a building, they usually build a model of it, right? A scaled model. Big architects do anyway. Or if you want to create anything, sometimes you'll sketch out and draw a model of it before you actually go and create the real thing. It's kind of a manufacturing thing. I have a manufacturing background, so we practice and model and try things out before we take them to production, we call it. And that's called modeling. So we can model physical things, we can model people's behavior. And the thing about modeling is, number one, there's a couple caveats to that. Number one, we never know the whole story, right? When we're modeling other people, we're not comparing ourselves to them. We're just finding what worked for them, and we're modeling the process that they used, the things that they did. We're not necessarily modeling them because we don't know, we're all like icebergs, right? You see this much of all of anybody, any human being, and there's all this under the surface. A lot of us don't even know what's under the surface for ourselves, much less would other people ever know. So when we're modeling, we want to model the process and model and pick the things that will work for us, knowing that it's not the whole picture, and we're going to have the experiences ourselves. We're going to have to take the action and do the things that they did if we want to get the results that they've gotten, or even close to the results that they've gotten. Now, the other caveat about modeling is pick carefully who you're going to model and you're going to learn from. Because people can be an example, right, that we want to follow, or they can be a warning, right? There's a lot of people out, and I do this in the online world. I model other people. I learn from a lot of other people. And there's people that are in the showboat camp, but there's no real substance behind them. And then there's the people that are more low-key and they're very vulnerable and sharing their information and they're very giving, that are gold mines to model and follow. And it depends what kind of a goal or thing that you want to achieve, the type of people that you'll follow and model. If you have a goal to improve your health, you're going to model somebody who's achieved the health that you want. You're not going to follow somebody that's, 100 pounds overweight and eats junk food every day, right? You're going to model somebody that's already achieved the thing that you want to achieve. So that's one of my top 20 biggest lessons learned. If you want to shortcut the process of anything, find role models and examples, positive examples of people that have already done what you want to do. Not people that say they've done or act like they've done, but have actually done what it is that you want to do. If you want to create a $1 billion business, or $1 million, let's say million, billion's kind of stretching it, right? If you want to create $1 million business or even a 6-figure business, you take advice and you follow and you model people that actually have a 6-figure or 7-figure business, right? You can, and I know people will give you this sports analogy of, well, I had this coach and they didn't ever do it. They just were a good coach. And there's that type of coaches, yes, but in certain things, certain results that you want to get, I will say to my grave, listen to people that have already done it. Model people that have already done it, not people that tell you how to do it but have never done it. It's like teachers and professors are super duper smart, right? But they're not always very financially successful because they know everything, but they haven't actually gone out and done it. And what you need and want is to model somebody that's actually done what it is that you want to do. All right, would love to know what you think about modeling, and if you've used it, and if you want to know more about it, hit me up in the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you March 23rd right here on the Thrive Challenge page, but make sure you go in and join the Thrive Challenge group, and I'll put the link in the comments below. It's just facebook.com/groups/Thrive Challenge, and you want to be in there because that's where you will participate in the daily action item, because I'm going to ask you to take action every day, a little action, and then show us that you've done it, and we'll have participation prizes for that. But you also want to get in there because that's where the clues to the scavenger hunt will be every day. There'll be a clue every day for 10 days. You want to collect those clues and then make sure that you submit your answer by April 1st at midnight Eastern so that you can be in the running for the $25,000 value grand prize, right? All right, that's it. Have an awesome day. I would love if you would share some of your biggest lessons learned in business and in life in the comments below, because that helps all of us to learn and grow as well. All right, catch you tomorrow. Bye.